Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fern. It's been a little while since I feel like I've sat down and filmed, but today I created this makeup look just because I was in the mood for something colourful, something fun. Didn't go the way I planned, but I managed to fix it somehow. So if you are interested in how I created this and what products I used, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have prepped my eyes. I've already done my eyebrows off camera just because it's the same as I always do and I don't want to bore you with it. But I want to do something colourful today, and I think I'm going to go back and use my Juvia's Place. Is that how you say it? Juvia's Place palettes. I've got the Zulu one and the Festival, and I really want to use like the greeny blue shade. So I think I'm going to do like some sort of cut crease. And just to let you know, for my eyebrows, like usual, I use the Revolution Pro in Ash Brown with a bit of Rimmel London powder on the top. Carved it out using the Revolution concealer, and this is also what I prepped my eyelids with, and then just set them with powder. I don't know how well like a neutral colour is going to work with the blue and the green. Do you know what, I might try and go in with this peachy like orangey colour and just lightly put that through the crease as just like a transition and see if I can blend into that. And I am being pretty messy with this. The green and the blue are quite shimmery, so this teal colour is the colour that I want to kind of pack on the lid first. So I'm going to use a more dense brush to do this. Okay, so what I've just had to do is fix a hot mess. That green colour here did not want to blend out into the peach colour at all. So I've basically like tried so hard to like build up that green, it just wasn't working. So I took this slightly shimmery darker blue on the fluffy brush, and I just went ham with that. And literally just went over it, and that was a lot more pigmented and it blended well. So I've just kind of tried to build that up a little bit, and it's mixed in with the green, so it's more of a turquoisey colour now, but that's so much better than it was. So what I'm going to do is pack on the outer corner of this, and then I'm going to cut the crease. Now I'm going to use my Revolution concealer and pop some of this on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use a small flat little brush to then cut the crease all the way, like 3/4 of the way across. I've changed my mind and I don't think I want to go in with that colour now. I kind of want to go in with a different colour glitter. I might try and just put a bright white. Okay, so now the eyeshadow disaster is at a halt. I'm going to go in with the Gigi Hadid Maybelline Black Liquid Liner and just do a wing and kind of like drag it out a little bit at the end. Eyeliner is done. Put a bit of mascara on. Before I start on lashes, I'm just going to quickly start with skin. I'm not going to go too into depth of everything I'm using on my skin, just because I did want it to be focused on the eyes, and I am using just kind of the products I typically tend to use. So I'm going in with the Primark Strobing Cream just to give my skin a glow. Kind of makes me look a bit crazy, but... And then I'm also going to go in with the Benefit Professional just in my T-zone, to help minimize my pores. So while these lashes are just kind of drying down, I'm going to move on to foundation. Now, I tried to scrub my fake tan off this morning in the bath because it just wasn't going well and the tan was just coming off in weird places. I didn't want it on anymore, it was going patchy and I looked like tiger bread. So I'm actually just looking for a new fake tan at the moment. If you guys have any recommendations on what like tan you use, I would love to know, because I want one that's going to last but it's going to be easy to get off, because this one is a pain in the ass. So I don't know what foundation is going to match me, but I'm going to try using my Iconic London pigment stick in number 3. But I feel like it might be a little bit too dark. I'm just going to use a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in Fair just to lighten it up if it needs to be lightened up. I don't think that colour's too bad, maybe like the tiniest bit too dark, but it's fine, we'll work with it. I'm going to use the Revolution concealer in C2 again under my eyes. I just love this concealer. I'm just going to use my RCMA No Colour Powder on my Beauty Blender just to... My floor and my foot is now white. It's like it snowed. I'm just going to kind of like put that in there and then pat this under my eyes. I look so crazy. I feel really sick as well, I haven't eaten. Oh well. To finish off under my eyes, I'm just going to go in with the tealy blue colour. Not that one, didn't like the chalky one, the more bluey one. And just run that under my lower lash line. Okay, I'm getting blue in my eyeballs, not good. Eyes are now complete. I need to bring some colour and life back into my face. So I'm going to use my Michelin Beach Please Barbados Babe bronzer. It looks like really scary in the pan, but it's actually like a really nice colour. And it's really pigmented. My dog is coming up the stairs. I only just realised my eyes are quite dramatic and Beth wants me to go to town with her in a bit after I film, so let's hope I don't scare any children. I'm going to highlight a little bit using my Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfecting Opal with a small little brush. And I'm not going to go too ham with this, I'm just going to keep it at the high point. We are glowing, and then we're going to use, this is like really old but I've just found it and I'm just going to see how it looks. But I've got this Collection Gorgeous Glow which kind of reminds me of like those Bobbi Brown brick highlight things. I'm just going to take like a big duo fibre brush and just kind of swirl it in all that, because it's like blush, contour and highlight, and just go over it. And lastly for lips, I'm obviously just going to go with like a light nude colour. I got this I Heart Revolution lip liner pen, and it's actually got like 4. It's like one of those pens you used to have in school. It's so cool. But there's a light shade on here which I quite like, and then you just twist it up. So I'm just gonna use that. And for lipstick, to just kind of keep it nude, I'm actually really excited because I haven't used this in a video yet, but I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Jamie Genevieve lipstick. I love Jamie. She is one of my favourite YouTubers. She is just like everything, and so is this lipstick. I applaud her because I have a lot of the same nude lipstick she does, and this is just like the perfect nude, so I'm gonna wear this. And that goes really well with the liner I had on as well. I am obsessed with that. And that, I think, is pretty much everything. The eyes aren't what I was going for, but I do quite like them. I think that it's really bold, it's colourful, it's fun, but I feel like it makes my eyes pop quite a lot, especially because I've got dark eyes, so having quite a bright colourful makes like my eyes look really dark. And even though these are really like small little lashes, because of the white, it makes the lashes pop more as well. So I really like this look. I am impressed with myself. As I said, it wasn't what I was actually going for with the colours, but I like it. If you guys like it, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button. It would really mean a lot to me. If you did enjoy, please subscribe if you aren't already, and click that notification bell if you haven't. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you lots, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!